In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to open up a Fusion Markets account. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to fusionmarkets.com. I also put a real link down in the description below for you to check out. From here it should bring something like this, and now from here you'll be able to see that you can start trading, or on the right side you'll click create an account. Now if you click create an account over here, it goes into this page right here where you can sign up right here using your email address, create a password or confirm the password, and confirm that you're over the age of 18 and accept the terms and conditions. You'll also be able to sign up using your Google ID or Apple ID. Now from here you'll be able to see the welcome right here, where you can start a tour to get an overview of Fusion Markets, but from here you'll just need to click right there. Now from here you have really successfully opened a Fusion Market account, but from here you'll need to go down to verify your account and then verify your identity so you can actually start using and trading using Fusion Markets. And from here you'll simply need to enter your details like first name, last name, and all of these options. You'll need to choose your account settings, where you'll be able to choose a platform, which you of course can change on a later date. You need to verify your identity by uploading a picture of your ID or passport, and you lastly need to add some additional documentation like your address, identification, or something like that. From here you can just really click next and save, and then from here this little box down here should be disappearing, and from here you'll be able to use and create a live account inside of Fusion Markets. But that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!